2023 is gone and 2024 is heading away. But we have to dominate 2024 to achieve our goals and not to repeat mistakes we already made. Let's talk about some common mistakes that every one of us has made at some point. Stick around, because avoiding these pitfalls is key to your success this year. Now let's be real, we've all been there, setting ambitious goals, feeling motivated, only to find ourselves stumbling along the way. The journey to success is rarely a smooth ride, and making mistakes is part of the process. So let's highlight a few common slip-ups that might be holding you back from reaching your full potential. Mistake number 1, the overwhelm trap. Raise your hand if you've ever set a mountain of goals, only to feel buried under the pressure. It's easy to get overwhelmed when you try to tackle everything at once. Instead, focus on a few key goals that truly matter to you. Quality over quantity, my friends. Remember, it's okay to say no to certain goals if they don't align with your priorities. Mistake number 2, going solo. We often think we can conquer the world on our own, but the truth is, everyone needs support. Share your goals with friends, family, or a mentor. Having a support system can provide motivation, guidance, and accountability when things get tough. Don't let pride prevent you from seeking the help you need. Mistake number 3, ignoring the power of planning. Failing to plan is planning to fail, right? Take the time to break down your big goals into smaller, manageable steps. Create a timeline, set deadlines, and track your progress. A well-thought-out plan is your roadmap to success. Trust me, a little planning goes a long way. Now that we've highlighted these common mistakes, let's turn the page and focus on how to crush your goals in 2024. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's make this year our best one yet. Thanks for tuning in, goal getters. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where we'll dive deeper into goal-setting strategies and tips. Until then, keep hustling, keep dreaming, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers to a successful 2024.